How to add RazorPay to your WordPress website. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add RazorPay to your WordPress website to accept payments and more. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you will open up your WordPress website. I have opened up a test website that I have, and I'll show you how I add RazorPay to this. You must have a WordPress website. Open up the dashboard. Now you have to go to razorpay.com. RazorPay is a payment gateway where you can accept payments from customers, automate payouts to vendors and employees, and you will be able to manage your payment better. It is one of the most famous payment gateways out there, very efficient and interactive. It gives you and allows you to share payment link via an email and SMS. Payment pages are available, payment buttons. You can create subscription plans, then split income payments automatically reconcile incoming and EFTs. Let's get started with it. In order to actually add RazorPay to your WordPress website, you'll require an account on RazorPay. You will click on sign up and it will take you right here. So here you have to enter your mobile number. So that's what I'm gonna do. So once you verify your phone number, you will be able to create an account on RazorPay. Keep in mind, for now, RazorPay is just operating for Indian businesses and you require an Indian phone number. So once you have it, it will take you here. So you will get your own dashboard. We're good to go. We have an account on RazorPay. If you already had an account, then you don't need to, do this step, and you can directly get to your WordPress dashboard. So in our WordPress dashboard, what I will do is I will go to the plugins. So I'll just scroll down plugins and go to add new. In plugins, we can search in right here. I'm going to search for RazorPay. All right, so here we have RazorPay for WooCommerce and RazorPay Quick Payments. Now it depends on me that what kind of version I want to go for. The plugin is available on WordPress. You can see this one has more than 70,000 active installation. RazorPay Quick Payment has 3,000 active installation. Good reviews and is compatible with my WordPress version. So if you have a WooCommerce and you want to use Razor Payment Gateway with the WooCommerce plugin, then you will install this one. Or what you can do is allows you to easily sell things using RazorPay on your WordPress website. If you do not have WooCommerce and you just want to add a payment gateway, then you will select this plugin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually install both of these so that I can show you, because I have WordPress, and if you do not have WordPress, I'll show you how to install this one. Click on install now and it will just take a second to install. Once installed, click on activate. Then we have this one right here. Click on install now. It's installing. Once it's done, I will click on activate. So I have both of the plugins available now. If I scroll down, I'll be able to show you right here in my plugins. Now I have RazorPay for WooCommerce and RazorPay Quick Payments. Let's open it up. Okay, so here we have to set up our RazorPay payment gateway. Allow payments by credit and debit cards, net banking, UPI, and multiple wallets. Title. So the title I am going for is credit card, debit card, the one they actually added. Then we have description, key ID, key secret, payment action, order completion message. So this is like a gateway that they have already created. This is like our template that we're getting, but now I will customize it, of course, according to me. I can go with another title, for example, pay now, or this is our payment methods, something like that. And then we have descriptions. In description, I can add something like this is our payment method for RazorPay, and then we have key ID. The key ID and key secret can be generated from API keys section from RazorPay dashboard. So go ahead and open up your RazorPay dashboard. That is why I wanted to show you how to create an account. So go ahead and go to the RazorPay dashboard and enter the ID here. They have key secret. It can also be found in from the RazorPay dashboard. Then we have payment actions, authorize and capture, or just authorize. Then we have order completion message. It's just a message that we show once the payment is done. Thank you for shopping with us. Your account has been charged and your transaction is successful. And then we have activate debug mode. Click on save changes and all the changes will be saved for the gateway that we have set up with RazorPay for our WooCommerce on WordPress. So this is for a simple, payment. We have other options as well. We have shipping, we have products in general when it comes to the WooCommerce, right? So what I can do is maybe I can go to these subscriptions, and as RazorPay allows subscriptions as well, it will allow me to create a subscription plan. Again, we're doing this with RazorPay. Here we have synchronization, synchronized renewals, and then we have sign up grace periods. These are all the settings that you will do. I'm just showing you around so that you get a better idea how to use RazorPay with WordPress. Now, it depends on your business. You can go ahead and add as many, options as you like. You can add a good payment gateway that is very efficient and is very interactive. So there are no, errors, and the transactions are very secure with RazorPay. If we talk about the payments on RazorPay, you can see the payment gateway with the easiest integration, complete online onboarding feature, filled checkout. So this is like a website where we get all the information. Accept payment in all modes, checkout and global card saving, powerful dashboard built for developers. So here what happens is with domestic and international credit and debit cards, keep that in mind, EMIs, and then we have pay later, net banking from 58 banks, UPI, and 8 mobile wallets. RazorPay provides the most extensive set of payment methods. So that is actually pretty good, because when we are running a business on WooCommerce and we have a website on WordPress and we sell products, so it's all about the customers. We do not want to actually complicate things for our customers. That is why what we can do is we can add easy payment methods such as mobile wallets and, credit and debit cards, so that they can pay us really easily. And even if whenever we are paying, and if that website has our favorite payment method, then it becomes really easy for us, and we do that transaction again and again, and we buy things for them. So that is how it really helps us. The feature of RazorPay, that it has a lot of different payment methods available. So once the RazorPay is added, there is another plugin that I showed you. So we added RazorPay for a simple payment method as well. So here, if I go to the payments, it will show me I have WooCommerce payments, and then we have our RazorPay payments in the plugins. Let me actually open up my installed plugins. So here we have our own simple payments as well with RazorPay. You can see RazorPay quick payments, and I can just click on activate, and this plugin will be activated as well. Quick payment for WordPress by RazorPay. So if you do not have a WooCommerce, then you can go with this one. Once it's activated, I can just open it up now. All right. Edit settings. Okay, so you can see the method is similar of setting a payment gateway on a WooCommerce RazorPay and a simple RazorPay. So you can see again, we have to enter a title, description, key ID that we can get with the RazorPay dashboard, key secret, payment action, and this is how you will be setting up RazorPay on your WordPress website. Make sure to create an account on RazorPay first, so that you have a dashboard where you will be getting all the analytics and insights to your payments, and you will be able to actually get your payments really easily with the easy payment methods. Then add the plugin to WordPress by just going to plugins, click on add new, and add a RazorPay plugin, which is available on WordPress. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to add RazorPay to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.